Hello guys, I think you all will be fine. Today I tell you about the history of computer programming and why we use computer programming. I think you watched the video at till end. You understand computer programming what is it's a awesome concept about you, especially for beginners who not no familiar with computer programming. Will listen the video until end. Basically, the computer programming is a process of designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific computing result. Computer programming involves such tasks such as analysis, generating algorithms, profiling algorithms, accuracy and resource conceptions, and the implementation algorithm in chosen programming languages, commonly referred to as code. The source of code program is written in one or more languages that are intangible to programmers, rather than machine code, which is directly executed by the central processing unit. The process of programming is to find a sequence of instruction that will automate the performance of a task, which can be as complex as an OS, mean operating system, on a computer. Often for solving a given problem, proficient programming thus often require experts in several different subjects, including knowledge of application domain, specialized algorithms, and formal logics. If you are not understand some things in what I will tell you, no problem. I tell you everything in detail. Just listen what I say. Well, basically, tasks occupying and related to programming include testing, debugging, source code source code, maintenance, implementation of building systems, and management of drive artifacts such as the machine code of computer program. These might be considered part of programming process, but often the team software development is used for the large process, with the term programming implementation of coding reserved for actual writing of code. Software engineering combines engineering technology which develop particles. Software engineering, you think what is software engineering exactly? Software engineering is a systematic application of engineering approaches to the development of software. Software is a branch of science. It's a detailed topic. Okay, then reverse engineering is the opposite process. A hacker is any skilled computer expert that use their technical knowledge to overcome problem. But it can also mean a security hacker is common languages. A security hacker is someone who exploits method for breaching defense and exploiting weakness in a computer system or networks. So some history like Ada Lovelace, who noted to end of is a Luigi Manebra. This paper includes the first algorithm designed for processing by the analytical engine. She is often recognized as history's first computer programmer. Then a programming languages, different programming. The history of programming languages spans for documentation of early mechanical computer, modern tools for software development. So different types or different situations the computer programming work for, like a programmable devices has exist for centuries As early as 9th century, a programmable music sequencer was invented by the Persian Banu Musa brothers, who described an automatic mechanical flute player in the book of ingenious devices. In 1206, the Arab engineer Al-Jazari invented a programmable drum machine. The drum machine is not a tough. A drum machine is an electronic musical instrument that creates precision sound, drum beats, and patterns. It's a great machine. Maybe now people use or not. Can't know about that. So it's a very coding. The second part are important about code breaking. Algorithms have also existed for centuries. In the 9th century, the Arab mathematician Al-Kindi described the cryptograph algorithm for deciphering encrypting code. In a manuscript of describing cryptography messages, he gave the first description of cryptographics by frequency analysis, the earliest code breaking algorithm. The first computer program is generally dated to 1843, when mathematician Ada Lovelace published an algorithm to calculate a sequence of Bernoulli numbers. Bernoulli numbers is a mathematical Bernoulli number B under n are a sequence of rational number which occur frequency in a number theory. It's a very important. Maybe in future you learn about Python, then I think you understand what I wanna tell you. And some Python expert, if see this my video, then you understand it's a very important mathematics in Python. So it's a very detailed topic. Now work on higher level languages made the process for developing a program simple and more understandable, less bound to the underlying hardware. Like a Fortran is a programming language, the first widely used high level language to have a functional implementation, came in 1957. I also like a functional programming. It's awesome. I like pure function programming. It's a great. And many other languages we were soon developed in a particular COBOL aimed at chimerical data processing. And maybe you will know the Lisp is for computer research. Programs were mostly still entered using punched card of paper tape. You know what a paper tape? Punch tape or paper is a form of data storage that consists of a long strip of paper in which holes are punched. So simple. See computer programming in punch card area. By the late 1960s, data storage device and computer terminals become inexpensive enough that program could be created by typical directly into the computer text editors. Computer text editor program themselves is also very important for working on computer programming. Also, quality requirements is a matter like reliability, robustness, usability, portability, maintainability, efficiency, performance, that eliminating memory risk. It's a very detailed topic like algorithm complexity and others. I tell you more in a next video. I hope you all will be fine. If you feel any question, then feel free to ask me from comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.